she's been fucked over a few times, and then she meets a guy who's very sensitive.
Whoa. Time out, Green. They tell that fucking bullshit to the tourists.
Toby? Who the fuck is Toby?
Like a Virgin's not about some sensitive girl who meets a nice fella. That's what True Blue's about. No, granted, no argument about that.
What's True Blue?
Oh, you ain't heard True Blue. It's a big ass influence. Follow that. Oh, Toby's that little coat I haven't worn in a cruise age. What's that name?
What the fuck was I talking about? Serious dick action. And she's feeling something she ain't felt since forever.
Chew, Toby Chew.
It hurts. It hurts her. It shouldn't hurt. You know, her pussy should be bubbling up by now. But when tense, like a virgin.
Want me to shoot this guy?
Shit.
Heartbeat, It's a Love Beat by Little Tony DeFranco and the Franco thing.
Did the girl sing it? I must have zoned out during that.
Jesus.
5 guys sitting in a bullpen saying,
Mr. A little too close to Mr. Shit.
Mr. Pink sounds like Mr. Pussy. How about if I'm...
Got blood, man. I'm fucking blood.
Is he dead?